Write a user-defined function to calculate area of a triangle that accepts its sides and print the area of a triangle. Function should accept arguments. We are going to use this formula to calculate area of a triangle by calculating semi-perimeter, where semi-perimeter is equal to a plus b plus c divided by 2, and a plus b and a, b, c, these are the sides of the triangle. So in order to create function, we have to use the keyword def area, and it will be accepting 3 arguments, that is 3 sides of a triangle, so a, b, c. We are calculating semi-perimeter first, so that is s equal to a plus b plus c whole divided by 2. Area equal to, then the same formula has been written. You have to take care that at the end double multiplication has been used, that stands for exponential, and 0.5 means square root. Now in order to pass value to the function, we have to take input from the user. So first we will take the first side, so enter first side, and then we will copy the same statement and we'll take the second value in b. Again you can copy the same statement and make it second and third. So it will be c equal to, and input enter third side. So all the 3 sides have been taken into a, b and c variables. Now these variable has to be passed to the function area, and this area function is actually calculating area and returning the value back to the calling statement. So we are writing ar equal to area abc, so that whatever value is returned, it should be stored in ar. Then we will print area is comma ar, and we can run this program. So let us take an example: 15, 20, 25, and area of triangle is 150. But it is not necessary that in the function we have written abc, so in the main also we have to take abc only. We can use any other variable while taking the input from the user. We can use xyz, but then the above variable should also be xyz. Okay, so we are taking the value in xyz, and then we are passing these xyz, the value of these xyz into the above function. So the output will still remain the same, because the value of xyz is getting copied into abc in the above function. Next question is input a sentence. Convert the sentence into title case. It means convert every first letter of each word to uppercase and rest in lower. For example, if the string entered is nice to meet you, the converted string is nice to meet you, and you can see the cases has been changed. So for this we will take input of the sentence, and we are going to calculate the length of the sentence. So that value is stored in L. Let's create another variable, empty string, that is new str, and we are running a loop for every position in the sentence. That is from 0 to L minus 1 it will go, because in range the last value is not included. So if the current position is 0, or the character before this current position was space, then we will convert the current character into uppercase, and we will store it into new string. Otherwise we will convert that character into lowercase and we will pass it to new string. Now let us run this program. We are entering a sentence, nice to meet you, and you can see that it has been converted in title case. So this is the glimpse of the program. Now write a function table to generate multiplication table of a given number. So we have to take a number from user, and its multiplication table has to be printed. So let's see first this same program without using function. So we are going to take the number from user into n variable. Then we have to run a loop from 1 to 10. So for I in range 1, 11, colon, and just see when I'm printing the value of I, what I get. I'm writing 5, but it will give me only the value of I. Right now I have not multiplied 5 with with I, that I have not written n into I. So now I'm going to write n into I. So if I write 5 again, now I will get a series, what actually we require in a tabular form. So let's add n here. and multiplication sign. So we will be using X so that user see it as multiplication sign. So when it will be displayed, it is looking like this. So after X we have to print 1, 2, 3, 4. So for that we will write I, because I is storing the value of 1, 2, 3, 4. So almost we have completed. Now we require equal to sign, and if I write equal to sign simply like this, then I will get an error, because equal to sign is not a variable, it is a sign of operator. So we have to write this equal to sign inside double quotes. So on entering the number again, now we are getting a proper multiplication table. But now what we have to do, we have to convert it into function. So I am writing def table, and inside bracket I am passing n, that is the number which user will input, and inside this I am writing just indenting the same steps, and outside the function I will ask user to input a number. Then I will call this table function, and to that I will pass the value of n. Now I am running, so it is asking me the number. I have written 6 and it is printing me the table of 6.